Here's my favorite SUV with my favorite option package. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, and today I'd like to show you this 2022 Nissan Rogue SV Premium. The premium package is such a big deal because it comes with so much bang for your buck. Around back, rear park assist sensors, chrome rear bumper protector, reversible cargo mat, even a first aid kit, power lift gate, backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler, beautiful 18-inch alloy wheels, plenty of seating, rear heating and air vents, dual USB charging ports in the back of the center console. Even comes with a sunshade for your rear seat passengers. It's brilliant silver with charcoal interior, factory roof rack, tinted windows, color keyed door handles, color keyed mirror caps with LED turn signals, LED daytime running lights, LED headlights, forward collision sensor. It's equipped with passive keyless entry. Always love that power panoramic moonroof. Primatex bucket seats, power seat, embroidered floor mats, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, blind spot monitor located in your rear view mirror. Power liftgate controls, automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, trip computer functions, audio controls, Bluetooth, and that intelligent cruise. Only 32,000 well cared for, 1 owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, backup camera, dual zone climate control, heated seats, driver and passenger, push button start, USB ports, 12-volt outlet, console shifter, keyless entry key fob including remote start, power lift gate, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, and those power moonroof controls located overhead. If you'd like to know more about this 2022 Nissan Rogue SV Premium, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.